Source and sync mode controlling in Delta BFDB. Now the drive is run from 24 volt to forward button and frequency source by potentiometer. If you run the drive from DCM, we controlling change from DCM to forward and press switch on, but drive is not run. That's mean the drive will run at this time when it's set at 24 volt because of the switch is in source mode. Now we set here it's in sync mode to run from DCM to forward button. That's mean when you set the drive in sync mode, that time drive will run from DCM to forward, and when you set source mode, drive will run from 24 volt to forward. So we set make connection from 24 volt to forward button. Now the drive is not run because of sync source control switch is in sync mode. So we change the controlling from sync to source. Now the drive is run because of already run button is on from 24 volt to forward button, and this is possible to controlling because of now switched in source mode. So this is the way to changing source and sync mode in the BFD